Now, this is how you can upload the Reels on the Facebook using your Android. Let's get started. And if you are new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, you can go ahead and make sure you have the Reels ready, like inside of your gallery. You should have some ideally vertical videos which you want to publish as Reels on the Facebook. Then, of course, you should have the Facebook app installed and be signed in, all of the regular prerequisites. But once you get inside like so, what you have to do is to locate the plus button in the top right corner. So in my case, it's showing me the messenger icon search and the plus in a square. So when I click on the plus, it asks me what kind of thing I want to create within a Facebook. So there is, you can see the regular post story, but obviously I want to click on Reels. So when I click on Reels like so, I have to perhaps allow access to my photos if I haven't already, and then upload the thing from my gallery. Of course, you can see that you can directly record it in here through the camera, or perhaps even add music or some effects directly within the Facebook app, because there is this kind of like quick editor. But personally, I like to have my Reels completely ready before I publish them, or, before I move them to the Facebook app. So, I kind of like to just click upload within Facebook. But of course, you can utilize all of the features and all of the effects which are available in here. So let me know in the comments below if you found this video useful. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming videos as well, and I'll talk to you soon.